This is an unboxing of the new iPhone XS. Something I wanted to point out is actually unboxing the box it ships in, because I feel like not many YouTubers do this, and Apple's shipping methods are actually quite impressive. So if you take a look at how this iPhone is packaged, it's very efficient, right? So instead of using a lot of plastic, like air containers or the peanuts, it's just one single like little bit of plastic that holds the device in. So it's more efficient. Apple is definitely trying to be environmentally conscious with their shipping methods, which I think is rather cool. And yeah, so I'll just cut this out. Sure, better ways to open it. There you go. This is the device itself. We can see here it says iPhone on the left. We have our Apple logo on the bottom, iPhone on the other side, and of course all the information and a pull tab. So we can pull this. Plastic lifts away, so that's pretty cool. We can slide it up. Immediately designed by Apple in California. Did I just open it? I opened it upside down. Anyway, designed by Apple in California. We have our paperwork. We have the device itself. Let's quickly go through the paperwork. Hello. We get a SIM eject tool. This is fantastic to see. So this is the factory unlocked SIM-free model. I love that Apple does include the SIM eject tool. We get some Apple stickers. That's pretty much it. We have the iPhone X device itself, the XS, excuse me. That is awesome. To me, this is probably one of the most perfect sizes for a phone device. We can take the plastic off. There it is. Set that down. And inside the box, we do have our 5-watt power brick and our headphones, along with the lightning cable. Something different this year that I want to point out is actually with these headphones. So they no longer include that adapter. Now, if you forget what I'm talking about here, let me just bring over my iPhone 8 from last year. Opening this up, see again, those same headphones. They look identical, but the iPhone 8 model, if you take a look here on the back, they have this, that adapter, that amazing adapter. The new ones on the iPhone X, they don't have that. So definitely consider picking up a pair of wireless headphones for your new iPhone X to get the most out of it. But yeah, that's pretty much what is included in the box. Hopefully you found this video helpful. I would love to see Apple include potentially AirPods in the future, potentially a wireless charger or even a fast charger. But for now, this is what you get. It's pretty minimalist. Most important things, of course, the iPhone XS itself. And for me, that SIM eject tool. Can never have enough of those. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, considering checking out some of my other videos, and I will see you next time.